Located in Zhongshan, China, Vertexis Smart Home is a professional manufacturer, specializing in smart locks, precision hardware locks, and full-set door lock fittings, serving global residential commercial security projects. We own a modern automated factory with full process manufacturing equipment, ensuring stable output and on-time global delivery to meet worldwide bulk order demands. Our in-house team covers R&D, production and after-sales support, offering one-stop solutions, from prototype design to large-scale mass production. Flexible OEM and ODM customization is our core advantage. We support personalized tweaks on logos, labels, packaging, dimensions, colors and materials. Strict quality control systems guarantee consistent product quality for all custom orders. We have built extensive sales networks across North America, Europe, the Middle East and more. Our clients include global brand operators, wholesalers, project contractors and trade buyers. Every lock is elaborately engineered with rigorous multi-round testing before delivery. We conduct strict durability tests, anti-theft performance tests and extreme environment adaptation tests to make sure every product works stably in different global climates and usage scenarios. Our locks deliver stable performance and long-lasting durability, constant technical innovation, and timely global after-sales service help us maintain long-term strategic cooperation with partners worldwide. We always prioritize clients' needs, respond to inquiries fast, and offer professional technical guidance throughout your cooperation journey. All products are certified with SGS-tested CE and FCC standards. Trust Vertexis, your reliable long-term partner for smart security lock solutions.